Hello, good morning. I'm Manukul, motivational speaker and success coach. So, before I start talking, I'd like to remind you that in first how to sell training module session, we talked about how to communicate with our customers. Today, in that series, I'd like to talk about product inventory. Product inventory is very important before communicating to any customer, because if we don't know about product and competitors product, then our entire effort in the doctor's chamber will be in vain. So a smart salesperson will not make hurry in meeting the doctor. First, he should well equip himself with the knowledge and the information of the product, competitor's product, and the market. So, in that series, I would like to talk today, and I'd like to guide you how to make a product inventory. Inventory is a scientific terminology. Inventory means everything about the product, everything about the competitor, and everything about the market. That should be memorized to the salesperson, and better it should be in a written format. So now we should talk to what is exactly product inventory. Product inventory has three components. The first is features of the product, second is benefits of the product, and the third is advantage. So every salesperson should first sit quietly with the product and make it a worksheet that what is the feature of the product. Suppose it is a pharmaceutical product, so what would be the feature? The feature is molecule itself, the packaging, third the pricing, fourth the size of the tablet or size of the bottle or liquid, even the taste of the tablet and all. So you have to make a inventory of all the features, what the feature your product is providing. Then every feature has some benefit. So you have to write the benefits of the feature. Suppose you have a smaller tablet, so the feature is a small tablet, soluble tablet. So what will be the benefit this tablet, soluble tablet, is going to provide to the customer? So you have to write it. Pricing, packaging, even molecule, the pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamics, yes, it is doses also. So these all are the unique selling proposition, unique selling features of the product. And every feature has 2-3 benefits. And on the whole, the product will provide the advantage. What the advantage the product is providing to the customer? Patient compliance, short-term therapy, it may be acceptance of the product. So there are many. You have to write it down and make it your own product inventory. So now you are knowing your product better. If you don't make a product inventory, it means that you are not knowing your product. If I have to make my inventory, then also I have to write my name, Manukul, then my father's name, my qualification, what is my specific education, from where I did my graduation, post graduation. So this is my self inventory. So same way I have to make an inventory of my product. And now you have made a product list, you have made a customer list also, that is also customer inventory. That the doctor, such and such doctor, and he is MBBS or MD or all, what is his prescription behavior, what is the reputation in the market. So these all are inventories. Now I am coming to the competitors' inventory, competitors' products inventory. The same way, feature, benefit, and advantage. You have to make a worksheet. Left hand side of the worksheet, you write it out, your own products, feature, benefit, and advantages. And the right hand side, you write it the competitors, at least 3 top competitors product, and the same way, feature, benefit, and advantages. Now the things will be very clear and transparent in front of your eyes that your product is scoring on how many parameters of the competitor. Now you will be 100% sure that what you are going to talk in front of a doctor or your customer. And if any question is being raised by your doctor or customer, you are not going to fumble. You are not going to get confused in the chamber of your customer. So your confidence level will increase, and I am damn sure, I am 100% sure that if any person who is in sales, who has a product inventory sheet in his pocket, he is not going to fail in his sales career. I have practiced it, but I started very late. One of my first sales manager, Mr. Sunny Arora, who is my mentor also, he has guided me कि Manukul, when you are going to meet a customer, when you are going to meet a doctor, you must make an inventory of the product. You must know the product and who are the top customers. Because how will you talk to your doctor? How will you talk to your customer? And it is not related only to pharmaceutical product. It is related to any product. Even you are selling a fan, even you are selling a bulb, even you are selling a software product, everywhere, everything has some unique propositions, some benefits, and some advantages over competitors. So that salesperson must know. Hope you like this episode of sales inventory and product inventory series. I would like to request you please start doing it and practicing it from today, and you will find that you are a totally different person in the market. Your confidence will be soaring very high, and you will feel a changed person in the sales career. So please subscribe my channel and give me the feedback also whether this series of how to sell is helping you in converting your customers and making you a super duper salesperson in your pharma career, in your sales career. Thank you.